Recall there are three phases a matter can have: solid, liquid, and gas or vapor. Phase changes are essential in our lives for many reasons. For example, it freezes our food and preserves it for a longer time. But how does a matter change its phase? Recall latent heat is thermal energy that changes a matter's phase without changing the temperature of the matter. Let us look at how solid changes to liquid using heat.